Hello, everyone. Welcome. So here we are going to talk about cumulative frequency, and we are going to explore cumulative frequency through this example. So first, let's read through the problem. Based on the frequency distribution below, find the cumulative frequency for the class with the lower limit 27. Class with the lower limit 27. And give your answer rounded to 1 decimal place. If you get decimal, then you have to round it to 1 decimal place. Okay, so here is the data. You can see we have the ages, and the ages are grouped here. So this is the group data. So ages are the classes. First class is 15 through 18. Second class is 19 through 22. Third is 23 to 26, and so on. And here we have the number of students. That is the frequency. So we want the cumulative frequency for the class with the lower limit 27. So here is that class. The class with the lower limit 27 is 27 through 30. So we want to find the cumulative frequency for that class. Okay, we want to find the cumulative frequency for this class. And if you look at this class, 27 through 30, the frequency for that class is 5. So that is the frequency for that class. This is your frequency F. But what we are looking for is the cumulative frequency. So in order to find the cumulative frequency, we need to know what is cumulative frequency. So we need to know the definition of cumulative frequency. So when you look at the word cumulative, it's very clear that the meaning of cumulative is to cumulate or add up. That means we want to find the sum of frequency for that particular class here and all the classes below that. So let me write that definition. Cumulative frequency denoted by CF is the sum. Sum because it is the cumulative, is the sum of the frequency of the class, frequency of the class. In this case, frequency of the class is 5, and because we are adding, and the frequencies of all classes below it. So if you look at all classes below these are the classes, and their frequencies are these numbers. So it is the sum of 5 and all these numbers here, all these numbers, okay? 5 and all these numbers. So that is the definition. So from the definition, it's very clear that when we talk about the cumulative frequency, it is the sum, okay? It is the sum of frequency of the class and the frequencies of all classes below it. So that's how we can find the cumulative frequency for a particular class. So in this case, let's find out what will be the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is equal to frequency of the class, that's a 5, and the sum of frequency of the class and all the frequencies below that, and the frequencies of all classes below it. That is, to that 5, we have to add all these numbers. 6, then we have 8, and then 10. So 5 plus sum of frequencies of all classes below that is 6 plus 8 plus 10, which is equal to 24. So finally, 5 plus 24 is a 29. So meaning of that is the cumulative frequency for this class is 29. Okay, in other words, the total number of data values or total number of observations up to 30, okay, from 15 all the way up to 30 is 29. So cumulative frequency will give you the total number of observation up to that point. In this case, up to 30. Okay, in this data set, the total number of observations up to 30 is 29. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching.